If I could have any job in the world, I think I would like to be an aeroplane pilot, or I could be the co-pilot. I think this because I like traveling and visiting other countries, learn about other cultures, new gastronomics, and another very interesting reason is that I would speak several languages. Although Spanish is my favorite language for being my native language. From my point of view, all jobs in the world have their interesting side and also their uncomfortable side. I feel that the most important thing and the reason for being in a company is to feel happy and calm where we are. I think the most important job I have ever had is the one I am currently in. I believe it's because I have first expanded my knowledge in telecommunication. Second is that I have been able to travel through Colombia and see many per- birds, and I have met very interesting people. Third, I feel that I can grant out in my personal, professional, and my economic condition. All this is due to the fact that my bosses have seen my development and craft mainly in the academic field. Moreover, I am the only one in my area who is studying. My opinion up to now will continue to be that Caracol Televisions is my best word the most important, and that is why I take great care of it.